everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I have my client here with me and I have already removed her previous polish. I have also removed any lifting that she had. She has had this set for about 5 weeks, and so she came in for a fill, and that is what I'm doing today. So I have already prepared the nails and I just added primer, and now I'm going to lay my acrylic. And I left this in real time. I think I'm a bit slow in applying my acrylic, but this is real time application. I left both hands in, and yeah, so I didn't leave much of the filing in because I don't know, I take forever to file, and I just didn't want the video to be too long, and I didn't want to bore you guys. I think a lot of people come for the acrylic application because they want to learn that, and I guess just I guess people find it a bit relaxing. At least for me, I just like to watch people lay acrylic. But yeah, I won't be doing much talking. Well, I won't be talking throughout the video, so I just wanted to come on and just give my few words. But yeah, so as you can see, her nails grow and curve downwards. These are mostly her nails. I think there is probably one or maybe two that I had to sculpt because they broke, but for the most part these are her nails. She has been growing them since she started coming to me, and we have cut them down many times. When she first came to me, her nails were a mess, and you know, we nursed them back to life. But yeah, so today she decided that she wanted to do multicolored nails, and so we went with some pastel colors. And I used a few colors. I think I used the 5 colors from the Gershon. It's a Gershon nail polish gel polish kit that I have. I will probably put a link to that below. But I just want to thank you guys in advance for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it is helpful for you. And if there's anything that you'd like for me to do, any other videos that you'd like for me to do, then please leave a comment below and let me know. Please like, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Bye bye.